Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Windows screen flickering. So as the initial step, you can reset your graphic driver by just tapping Ctrl Shift Windows key plus B simultaneously. Once it is done, you can go with further steps. Next, you can check your display cables and connection, ensure those cables are properly connected, or try to replace the new cable. Once it is done, again go to Start menu, go to Setting, left side menu, go to Windows Update, tap on Advanced Options, scroll down, tap on Recovery option. In the Advanced Startup method, tap on Restart Now. Once you are restarting, you will be able to come to the blue screen. So in that menu, you can tap on Troubleshoot option, then after Advanced option, finally Uninstall Updates. So select Uninstall Latest Quality Update to remove any problematic updates that may cause you a flickering. So once it is done, you can close this one and again right click on the Start menu, go to Device Manager, expand the display adapters, right click on your graphic driver, tap on Update Driver, tap on Search Automatically for drivers. If it says already installed, go back, select the second option, select this one, select your graphic driver from here, tap on Next. This will reinstall the same driver again. Again, go to Start menu, go to Setting, tap on System section, go to Display, scroll down and tap on Advanced Display option. Come to the Choose Refresh Rate, tap on this, change the refresh rate in this menu. Then after try to is that problem is fixed or not. Then after close this one. But some apps also cause for the flickering. So you can go to Start menu, go to Setting. In this menu, tap on Apps option, go to Apps and Features. In this Install Apps, you can see which apps will be reason for the flickering. So you can uninstall those applications by just tap on three dots like this. Then after tap on Uninstall. And again go to Start menu, go to Setting, tap on Personalization option, come to the colors. In the accent color, you can see it is set as manual. If it is set as automatic, change it to manual like this. Again go to Start menu, go to Setting, go to Accessibility in the left side menu, go to Visual Effects option. Animation effect should be turned off like this. If it is turned on, you have to turn it off like this. So finally, you have to go to search bar, search for REGEDIT. There is option called Registry Editor. Just tap on it. Tap on Yes on the pop-up menu. In here, you need to navigate H key current user, software, scroll down and go to Microsoft and Avalon Graphics like this. Tap on Display option. In here you can't see Disable HWA acceleration, so right click on it, tap on New, go to dword 32-bit value. In here you need to type Disable HW acceleration like this. Then after tap on the outside of that one, double tap on this, change the value into 1. Then after tap on OK like this. Once it is done, you have to restart your computer to impact these changes. So this method will be fixed your issue. If you think this video is helpful, please consider subscribe and liking this video.